Hello and welcome back to Avenza's mapping class video series. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to flip lines in MAPublisher. I'm starting with a new Adobe Illustrator document, and I've imported the Toronto Streets Joined MIF file from the tutorial data folder. First thing I'm going to do is select two lines. So I will choose this one here and this one underneath it. Next thing I'm going to do is add arrowheads. To add arrowheads, you're going to go to the stroke panel, which you can either access over here, looks like 3 lines, or from the window menu, down here, you'll see stroke. From the stroke panel, there's a little arrowhead section, and so from the right drop-down menu, I'm going to pick an arrowhead. I'll just pick number 1. And you'll see 2 arrowheads show up at the left-hand side of the map here, one on each line. So to flip these lines, I'm going to go to the Flip Lines tool up here from the MAPublisher toolbar, Geoprocessing section. Just click that, and look at that. Now you can see the arrowheads have switched to the other side of the line. The orientation of the lines is now permanently corrected, and any labels placed along these lines would now be oriented correctly, meaning they would be oriented above the lines. If I had kept the lines in their original orientation, the labels would appear upside down below the lines. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.